What's up guys, my name is Phil, welcome back to Miranda Detailing. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys the new products from Maxshine. We're going to give you a rundown of all the different products that they offer, what they do, some of the pros and cons, starting with the Refresh Shampoo. So this product is a high foaming shampoo, it's pH neutral, it's safe for vehicles that have been protected, so waxed, sealed, coated, whatever the protection on, is designed not to strip it, but be strong enough to be able to clean the vehicle. It works great in a foam cannon, probably put about 6 ounces in a 32 ounce bottle, and you should get enough foam from that. If you do want more foam, you can always up the ratio and put more in there. But I found this shampoo to work extremely well. Very nice and slick. I like that it also doesn't have any color to it, no dyes whatsoever. It seems like a very simple, straightforward shampoo. So foaming up the vehicles, washing them down, it felt slick under the mitt. It cleaned really well, washed away off the panel well. I didn't see any residue that it left. So it performed very nicely. Now next is their AIO, I don't know my vowels, AIO or all-in-one cleaner. So this is a multi-purpose cleaner. It can be used for degreasing on the outside, for cleaning on the inside. This is also an eco-friendly type of cleaner, so you can use this on everything and anything. Everything on the exterior of the vehicle, you can use it as an APC rinse, you can use it as a wheel cleaner, tire cleaner, engine degreaser. You can use it on the interior for dash components, leather, carpets, the rubber mats. You can use it on everything. Now it does say that it is a citrus-based cleaner. It has an active degreaser that could mean some sort of enzymes in it. So this can also be used as a bug remover. So use this, as it says, all in one or all around the vehicle, inside and out. Now next for the exterior is their FEX. This is their iron remover. This can be used for the chemical decontamination stage. And just like all the other iron removers out there, they don't smell great. This one smells a lot better than most, but still, iron removers are stinky products. However, it worked really well on this white vehicle. You can see it dissolving those iron particles, and you want to use a product like this, maybe not for maintenance details, maybe not even for mobile detailing all the time unless the vehicle needs it. A product like this I will use for the prep before paint enhancements, paint corrections, and coatings. Use a product like this for your bigger, pricier details because you will go through a lot of this. So you don't want to be using this for a ton of mobile detailing or maintenance washes because it's going to be a waste of the product. That's just my opinion. I don't use it on my mobile jobs that often, only when needed. But here at our garage shop, I will use it to chemically decon the paint before paint enhancements, paint corrections, and ceramic coatings. But the product performed as it says. Now next are two spray products. One is their mist, the other is their clay lube. Now the clay lube, when it comes to clay lubes, you can mix up your own very, very economically, very, very cheap. However, Maxshine says that this clay lube is not just a clay lube. So if you don't feel like wasting the product as a clay lube, I know I wouldn't want to use this whole bottle as a clay lube because I feel that I'm just wasting it. You can use it as an all-purpose detailer. So you can use it on the paint, the glass, anything. Use it as a detailer more than a clay lube, even though it says clay lube. And the mist is also a great spray wax or spray sealant. It is a quick detailer as well, has good hydrophobic abilities. Both of these sprays can actually be used in the full sunlight. So I tested on the panels, it worked exceptionally well. They both smell really nice also, so that's a plus. Now, I have to say something about the packaging. Check out how cool the packaging is on these products. It looks like they took a picture of dye in like a bottle of water. So really, really cool photography and labeling on this. And you can see in the background, carbon fiber. So beautiful labeling. I just love the way that it looks. Great job, Maxshine, on the labeling. Now, next is going to be their all-in-one polish. So again, beautiful labeling on this. And this is like, I compare it to 3D Speed. It performs exceptionally well. You can use it out in the full sun and heat, just like 3D Speed. It does polish the paint. It can remove defects and actually do true defect removal, not just filling. So when it comes to all-in-ones, my philosophy with that is work an all-in-one with a medium foam cutting pad and work it like a compound or a polish. Don't just quickly go over the panel. Actually work it into the panel to remove defects, and it does remove defects. It doesn't just fill them. And we tested that by actually stripping the panel with a strong IPA mixture to actually see if it was correcting or not. And it does. Just like 3D Speed, you work it like a compound and it acts like a compound. So this product, awesome gloss, super slick, wipes off very, very easily. Very happy with this product. So this would be a great product for mobile detailers because you can use it outdoors in full sunlight and in heat. I just love this product. It's awesome. It smells really nice as well. And then another product for the interior, whoops. And now another product for the interior is their all-in-one conditioner. Now this threw me off just a little bit because when I saw this all-in-one polish and then I saw all-in-one conditioner, my mind didn't go to leather conditioner or plastic conditioner. It actually went to polishing. I thought maybe this was kind of like a 1-2 combo, but it's not. Don't be confused by that. So it does say all-in-one, you know, the AIO. Just make sure to look at the label and make sure you're using it for the right thing. But besides that, this is their interior conditioner and a little bit of a cleaner. I use it more like a conditioner. After I clean the leather, which you can use their all-in-one cleaner for cleaning the leather, then you can use this to condition it. Now, an interesting thing about this leather conditioner is its scent. It smells grapey or fruity. So I thought it was going to be more of a leather conditioner type of scent, but it's not. But that's okay. The more I use it, the more I like it, and it makes the whole interior of the vehicle smell really nice, kind of fruity, almost a bubblegum type of scent to it. Now this also can be stacked to increase gloss if you want that. Now I know when it comes to interior leather and vinyl and dash, you don't want high gloss. Some people like it. I have some customers that love a shiny interior. That's just their preference. And if it's their preference, then I'll go with it. But personally, I don't like a super shiny interior. Now, this stuff can be applied and then it can be knocked down with a microfiber towel for a more satin, natural look. But if you want that shiny look, you can achieve it by just putting multiple layers of this, but I wouldn't suggest that. Go more for the natural look. I think it just looks better, but that's just my opinion. You do what you want with the products. So guys, those are my opinions on the new Maxshine products. I'm really enjoying them. I especially love the all-in-one polish. This is by far my favorite. And as a tip, if you just wanted to do a good wash, decon, and spray sealant, then these 4 products right here are going to be the perfect combo for that, if you want to go all Maxshine. But if you start with the Refresh shampoo, you decon with the FEX, the iron decon, you can clay bar with the clay lube if you want, or my suggestion is using a clay mitt or clay barring during the wash process. I have many videos on that. Feel free to check out those other videos on how to do that. But even if you just do the iron removal and then you go right to the all-in-one, polish the entire vehicle, and then mist it down with mist. And this will act as kind of a topper or a sealant on top of your all-in-one polish. I know I'm holding a lot of polishes in my hand. It's really hard to do that. I should have a shelf right here in front of my face. But these 4 products would make a great wash, decon, and polish and sealant combo. So guys, if you want to get your hands on any of these new Maxshine products, check out the links down below and Pick up some for yourself. You don't have to pick up all of them. Start with the Refresh and maybe the all-in-one polish. These two products are really, really good. I'm very happy with using these products as a wash and then a polish and sealant. Thank you, Maxshine, for sending the products to me. This wasn't a sponsored video, but they did send the products to me. I've been using them for the past couple of months, and I finally got around to making the video, editing it, and showing you guys what I think of the new Maxshine products. So guys, if you're enjoying videos like this, and I hope you are, consider subscribing and clicking that bell. That way you get notifications each time these videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. And I hope you guys have a great week. We'll see you next time. Take care.